And now we're going to talk about magazines. And whenever I ask a class whether anyone in the class subscribes to a magazine, there are only usually a few hands that go up. And almost invariably, someone in the class subscribes to Vogue magazine, which is an amazing magazine, very influential in its category, published by an elegant company, privately held, called Condé Nast, owned and operated by the Newhouse family. And if I may, I have had the pleasure of calling on people at Vogue when I was selling a service to media sales teams. And if you ever saw the film Devil Wears Prada, that is based on Vogue magazine. And the sales force and the way the whole thing is run is amazing. The publishers and the top salespeople used to get amazing clothing allowances. They took town cars all over the city. They had very lavish expense accounts. And in fact, I think it's fair to say that overall, going back to the Mad Men days of advertising in the 50s and 60s, and right up to almost to the present, magazine sales reps, the people who convinced ad agencies and advertisers to put their money in magazines, were a very aggressive, charming group of people, very smart, many of them. The Time Inc. reps are famous. The Condé Nast reps are famous. They have good expense accounts, a lot of client entertaining, and manage to sway a lot of ad dollars into magazines.